Welcome to North Dean. We're right here in Aberdeen at 162 Banister Street. This is a Steve Horne renovation. And if you know anything about the way Steve Horne builds these homes, you'll know everything is brand new, top of the line, all new concrete, two-car parking pad, big composite fence, Anderson door, ring doorbell. Everything in here is brand new, like new construction, built from the foundation up. Come on in. As you enter the front door, you have a beautiful family room. Again, everything's brand new here. And I love the finishes they've selected. We have quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, high-end backsplash, recessed lights. These homes are leveled down to the foundation and built up brand new. Maintenance-free, one-story living. Now, closet here, big, beautiful hall bath with glass and tub. Full-size laundry, water heater. Two very spacious bedrooms, and let me show you the primary. Every room's got recessed lights, ceiling fans, cable outlets where you want them, remotes for the fans. Even the outlets have USB-C and USB drives. And the finishes are very tasteful. In the low 300s, you're not gonna see this level of finish. Exiting out the side door here, really well designed. Again, oversized two-car parking pad, double sidewalk, right out the side. The amount of fencing here and privacy you get is second to none. Follow me back through the backyard. Now, when I say everything's new, I mean absolutely everything. The roof, soffit, siding, gutters, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, all brand new units. And the rear property, very spacious, big pad here, beautiful yard. It's all sodded right here at 162 Banister. A lot of people will put sheds out here. You can put garages out here. It's an absolutely beautiful product right here in North Dean. So if you're interested in a brand new home in a convenient location in the low 300s, contact me, Andrew Undum, or anyone at the Sure Group of Berkshire Hathaway, and we'd love to show you more of homes like this coming up here in Aberdeen.